Hey everyone, my name is Kenta and welcome back to another video of my next gen hack. Today, I'm going to be unboxing and setting up the Wyze Cam V2. The Wyze Cam V2 is probably the best connected camera you can buy for $20. This modest looking camera can shoot in 1080p Full HD, has night vision and two-way audio, works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, has a free 14-day cloud storage of your video clips, it has the ability to stick a micro SD card for local continuous recording, and as of July 9th, it has people detection. All of this for $20 is mind-boggling. I'm also a fan of the design of the camera. It's minimalistic, small, but yet functional. Security cameras can look hideous, but this one's not like that. If you're using it outdoors, you can get accessories like this to make it even more fun. Packaging is also similarly minimal. You get a USB cable, which is nice and flat, a wall adapter, and a double-sided sticky tape to stick the metal disc to a wall. But what I'm impressed with is the quality. I mean, look at this, a laser-etched piece of metal. It doesn't feel like a $20 product. Setting up the Wyze Cam is very straightforward, but expect to spend a good 10 to 15 minutes to set it up, especially if you have to update the firmware. Before you begin, make sure that your phone is connected to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. It will ask for the password as well, so make sure you have that handy. Then, power up the camera via the USB. Wait until the status light flashes yellow. Then, press and hold the setup button until you hear the voice, "Ready to connect." Connect the camera by scanning the QR code shown on the phone, and you're done. Happy shooting!